How to fix Windows Start button not working issue. Hello everyone, and we are back with 6 easy solutions to fix this problem. Starting up with the first solution, you have to open your task manager. So for that, tap on the search bar and search for task manager. Once you have been in the processes, you have to search for Windows Explorer. Next up, right click on Windows Explorer and then click on restart. This way, you can now try to open the start button. However, if it does not work, again you have to open your task manager and then restart your Windows operating system. So for that, what you can do is click on run new task and you have to give this command, which is shutdown/r. This way, you will restart the operating system. You can just copy paste it from the description below. Similarly, moving to the third solution, you have to open the task manager again. Then after, click on run new task. Now click on create the task with the administrative privileges and in the search bar type in PowerShell. This way, this will open a prompt. Now you just have to copy paste some of the commands. The first one is for the system file checker. This way, it will check for any of the corrupt files and fix it. Once that is done, you can restart the device and then try to open the start button. However, if it still does not work, you have to follow the same step, which is first of all you have to click on run new task, click on the administrative privileges and then open the PowerShell. This time you have to copy paste the command for re-registering Windows app. This way also your issue should be fixed. However, if it does not, we have to move to the final solution, which is updating Windows from the PowerShell itself. So you just have to copy paste each of these lines of commands and then you have to restart the device and you should be good to go. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.